Hi, my name is Reet Sharma and I'm an Honours Bachelor of Business Administration student at University of Niagara Falls, Canada. I chose to study at UNF because of its modern curriculum, small class sizes, and hands-on learning approach. What I love about my program so far is its focus on real-world business applications, the hands-on assignments, structured schedule, and opportunity to learn from experienced industry professionals all make it a great experience. Some of my favorite moments have included presenting business strategies and working on team projects with my classmates. I've also participated in networking sessions and career events which have been valuable in helping me understand the job market. The faculty and staff at UNF are incredibly supportive and always available to guide and assist students. The registrar and career services team have helped me with course selection and career planning, and I've attended student events that have allowed me to connect with my peers and get involved in campus life. I wanted to study in Canada because of its high-quality education and multicultural environment. Niagara's balance between city life and nature made it an appealing choice. For those of you considering UNF, it is a welcoming environment. It's a fantastic place to learn, grow, and build a strong career foundation. To my family and friends, thank you for your support. This has been an amazing journey, and I'm excited for what's ahead. My name is Reet, and I'm shaping future one step at a time. I'm a proud UNF student, and innovation flows here.